Free ba talaga tong mga pinamimigay ni Adobe? Yes. Use Adobe Stock free assets with confidence in your next commercial project. Let's try to download an asset. For example, this one. Let's click on that. All the assets that you would see inside of this collection is free for you to use. I have downloaded some of the images here and also some vector graphics using my Adobe account. This one is already classified on my Creative Cloud libraries as Adobe Stock free assets. You can use this on your application. So as you would see, rubber fig plant on a living room, you can just have to click hit this. This will be sent to your Creative Cloud account as you would see here, saving to default library which is my Adobe Stock free assets. Pag nagkaroon dito ng license for free, ibig sabihin siya po ay free asset. If I saw this and I want to open this on Photoshop, I can definitely do so. Ito yung pinaka-screenshot ng mga na-license ko na mga images at wala akong binayaran dyan.